Hey guys, welcome to the ShelterPets channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how to use my NFT-MAKER uploader script. So this script can generate NFTs with random weights for the layers and then upload them directly to NFT-MAKER Pro, where then NFT-MAKER Pro will allow you to mint them and set up all of the sales aspects of the NFT project. So the first step is to simply download the script. So there is either a Pi version or an executable exe if you do not have Python that I have linked on the GitHub here. Following that, you want to head over to your NFT-MAKER Pro account and set up a new API key and make sure that it can create projects. So simply generate that API key and write it down because you'll need that for the program. After that, you want to make sure that your files and folders are in the correct order and named correctly. So you want to make sure that the folders of your layers have header names that are going to match the metadata headers. So for here we have background, breed, eyes, and hat. And then inside we have the names of the layers. So these are the names that will be appended to the metadata. So make sure that these are spelled correctly and have the correct capitalization. And then just like your example here are the different names for the breeds and the eyes. And what you also want to do here is write down the location where this folder exists, and the only thing that you need to change is make these forward slashes instead of backslashes. And the final step is to make an empty folder somewhere on your computer where the output of the program will be. Now it's time to actually run the script. So here is what it will look like when you run the script. It will ask for your NFT-MAKER API key. So paste that in. Next, you'll want to put in the location where you want to save the output images from the program. Make sure this is an empty folder because it will be cleared between every run of this program. And then finally, you want to put the location of the layers in the configuration that I showed you. And then you're going to want to put the image output dimension. So for this example, I will do 400 by 400. Now continue to follow the prompts from the program. The base name is the name that will be appended with a number for your collection. So we'll just do ShelterPets. Number of traits, so this is how many folders basically you will have for the different trait layers. So as I showed you previously, I have 4. And then you want to enter the names exactly as they are on the folders, and you want to put them in the order that they need to be stacked. So the background would be in the back, followed by the breed, followed by the eyes, followed by the hat in my example. So make sure you are following that same logic. It will then ask for additional constant metadata. So this is things like project or artist or things that will be on every single NFT in your collection. So we will do 2. Artist. And then project. And then finally, it will ask you for the NFT project name. So we'll simply call this Video Test 11. And then the printed number there is your new NFT-MAKER project ID. And then the final thing is it will ask you how many images that you want to generate. I will do 20 images. Following this, it will ask you if you want to do random weights. So a random weight is simply randomly assigning the rarity of every layer, or if I put false, I will have to manually specify the probability of each layer. So for this video example, I will do false. So now I will go through and I will have to fill out the probability of each value for every trait. So here is the background, and now I have to specify the percentage chance for each one. And it's also important to note that I need to make sure these all sum to 100. Now we will be picking the percent chance for each breed. We'll make it 25%. Now we will pick some percentage chance for some eyes. And then finally some crowns and hats. We will give them all double horns. And once you see it printing these names here, that means that it is currently generating those pictures and then uploading them to NFT-MAKER. So to see that, we have 5 images here. And then if we head over here, we see we actually have 8 by the time this is loaded. And we can also see that every NFT has the devil horns as we specified. That shows you that the choice of rarity is actually working. Once all of your images has been uploaded, it will say upload here complete, and then you simply need to hit enter to exit out of the program. So that concludes my video showing you how to use our NFT Maker uploader. I hope this video was helpful and you'll be able to successfully get it working for your project.